Hi guys, this is Mary. Welcome back to Cardz TV. I've got the Cardz TV October card kit in this purple envelope. It's called Happy Halloween, and I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside this kit. You'll get 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. We have white, black, orange, green, and purple. You'll get a selection of 12 cute and spooky Halloween papers, perfect for making some really cute cards. The kit comes with 2 white card bases and matching envelopes, a set of enamel dots. You're going to get a little ink pad in various colors. You'll get a set of 4 black and white treat bags, perfect for Halloween candy or maybe some hot apple cider mix. You're going to get a set of these cute little Halloweenies Cardz TV die cuts. We've got some candy corn, a large pumpkin, a little cauldron with some green slime. Here's little witchy poo. This cute little owl with his witch's hat on. We're going to get 2 ghosts, a large ghost and a small ghost, and a small jack-o'-lantern. And last but not least, you'll get 2 sets of Cardz TV stamps. This one's called Happy Halloween, and we've got some bats, a cauldron, a witch's hat, a broom. Here's some more smaller bats, the word boo in a spooky font. Here's a bigger bat, Happy Halloween, double double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, and flying by with a witchy high. And then this one's called More Spooky Sayings. We've got Monster Mash, Bewitching, Ghosts and Goblins, Spooky, Got Candy, Going Batty, Ghouls Rule. Here's Boo, Things That Go Bump in the Night, Hiss, Yikes, Hocus Pocus, Jeepers Creepers, I Want My Mummy, Heebie-Jeebies, Wicked, Chilling, Bootiful, The Witching Hour, Creepy, did I say chilling? Boo-hoo, and Too Cute to Spook. So that's what you're going to get in this kit, guys. It is chock full of lots of cute little Halloween goodies, and I think you'll enjoy this one. So if you're interested in this kit, guys, you need to hop on over to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com. I've brought in more this time because these kits tend to sell out pretty quick, but I still don't have a lot of them, guys. I'm working on that one. So like I said, if you're interested, this is $29.95, which includes your shipping and handling and your 2 stamp sets. I'll be putting a video up tomorrow of projects I've made with this kit, but you'll also get a project sheet with photographs of things that I've made with this kit. So thanks so much, guys. Don't forget now, head on over to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com because this one's limited. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.